Ever since him get that scholarship and go after the university, him change. Me don't know what kind of thing him sniffing up in Kingston, but him come back talking different about this Rasta business Lord, the blossom that come out of that boy mouth not right.
And what did you do, Margaret?
Well, I say, Anderson, this foolishness got to stop. Right? Then God, he might go look on me and talk about.
Yeah, Auntie, I don't choose this part now. This part choose me. This is who it is.
God, me say, look here now. You can't live in my house talking and acting the way you are acting.
Yeah, Auntie, said misunderstand. Hey, I go rent out the house up in Bubble and me and my friend there, and I go move out. Let you can't take your Auntie.
He was moving out. I felt like I was going to lose, Andy. Thank God. On top of that, this boy been trying educating me. But what he learned, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
What about that beautiful Mother Cross?
I had a beautiful mud cross in my house. I kept it there for years. And when Anderson was small, I make him pray under the cross every night. But you see, when that boy started acting up, oh God, don't let me say it. God, don't let me say it. I can't make
Patrice.
Present! Take it from my name, there!
What about you, my dear?
God, any for pretty sad judgment, Tiana, but come on, guy, for what that? That's what that woman the way you just said, way. She need better life than me. It's all the truth, God. You know, sister, me all wicked.
Did you ever believe in me, Patrice?
God, you know something I know do. God, know me not. Yeah, God, no. Say you know me not know. Me know some of that stay good to it's all the truth, God, one of a person.
Yes, you were.
Hey, got him. Put it on, sweetheart. Watch it. Watch it. Hey, watch it. Made it have big dreams and all, but small was for trial. Everyone could have danced and get to the lie was there. Polly, lucky 38, Union, my dad upon me like lush. Hey, but I see the whole of the big man them. Wife too. But that's like every big function. One of them used to tell me I'm a pretty, I must feel good. But I don't listen to them and them sweet mouths. I was waiting on the right man.
Is there such a thing?
Got it. Me the young and fool back then, you know. But trust me, man. But they know a good man. My father beat up my mother every day. And my sister, them man need a beat. I rape them. I had to run. I know how to find some other way. And dancing was my thing. I wanted more than what I was living. I wanted everything that a rich woman with a rich handsome husband have. Got him. You know, like a portion, and Oprah, I meet the right man. And if he come out, you know, got him. Yeah, man. But boy, he could have chat. And the song, handsome, and still good. Piece of boy. I'm treating like a princess too. KFC on Friday, pizza on Saturday, burger on Sunday. Oh, it's a fast food. Yeah, my stupid, naive self thinking that man gonna take care of me and give me everything what he wants. If he come from Barbados, you know, and he come here on business, and he wanted to carry me go back to Barbados with him. He promised me a ring, children. He said I could have danced in a Barbados, you know. But most importantly, promised me love. Take me away. And I was on my way to Barbados. I was sure it was love.
Tell me, Patrice, what happened when you reached?
I was blasted business. Every night I was on the road selling my good body. I was just another whore that he was making money off of. 1 minute me I wind up on my body pan stage to collect $1 and $2. And the next minute, a man sword down my throat.
Sword?
Got it! You know me a sword! And at the end of the night, me did offie give back the man I loved with all my heart, my money. Tell him say I love him. And he never show me nothing for it. I got pregnant with my first child, Lord, and I never want a girl pick me. No girl pick me in my family never have it good yet. My first girl child was born and I take care of the best way I can. Hey! You see when him hear that he beat me so till, he box me across my face, he put my hand, he lick me across my back with piece of board. He tell me something I should have never give a film picnic. Oh God, as much as needed loving, couldn't keep my girl picnic around him. She couldn't see her mother like this.
Then what made you stay?
Where me could I go? Eh? What could I do? I never had no money. All of the money when me did have, me give back to him. My body start water down. He mash me up every day. Talk about how me's a fat slobby whore. No one, no man, no one touch me. And me's a nasty slut. Him call me all of that to my face. Even make my son call me that too. But I still remember the man that I met when I was back home looking for love. I didn't know how long I was going to stay.
And then he pushed you. He pushed you.
He pushed me till I couldn't take it no more, Goddy. The man was an addict. I just feel his demon inside of me for killing this is shit. For what he did to me and my life. All of the anger just boiled up inside of me. Anger for my mother and my sister them. For what my father do. How you want to make my son turn on me? Father, I give him my marks. Stop doing this to me, Father. Stop let me do this. Father, this is not me. Father, don't. Do me, I beg you, please. Please forgive me.
Too late. Faye. Faye, my dear. Faye?
God,
take it.
So you were prepared for the worst.
I don't know. I've been trying for so long to understand this thing of truth, religion, to understand you. You know, what or who you were, what you wanted from me. So, I just put it straight in my head. I just live my life the way I see fit and let you judge me for that. So, I did what suited me.
Even if it meant taking the hardships people gave you, and it bothered you, it did, didn't it?
It did. It's not fair.
What is not fair?
Life. I went to a good school. I always had my mind on my schoolwork. But no matter how many books I buried my head into, one thing was certain. I was confused. Until she came. Tasha. Always puts a smile on my face. I mean, I always felt weird that I had these strange attractions to girls. I mean, I'd hear this girl talking about how cute that guy was or how sexy that other guy's body was. But girls were more interesting to me. But I couldn't let anybody know that. So I did the normal thing. I dated a few guys, just hoping that I'd just feel for them the way girls are supposed to feel for guys. My first time having sex, it was repulsive. But I just did it because I didn't want anybody to think that there was anything wrong with me. I just got more and more miserable. God, you see, when I met Tasha, she was just so sure of herself. It was amazing to me. She was the strong feminist type, quick to take down any man, anytime. She had this firm hand and a soft touch. She knew exactly where to touch me. She could caress my body better than any man could. I mean, she made me feel so proud to know who and what I was. She lit this fire in me that made me just want to lick my middle finger to the air to anybody who didn't like it. I was just so happy, God. I'd never been in love until Tasha.
So tell me now, Faye, what made your first love leave you?
Oh God, please. I don't want to talk about that, please.
Child, you have no choice.
Men, look at what they've done to me, to us, thinking that they're your perfect gift for us. Why the hell did you create them? I'm sorry. We were at the library one night, just fooling around.
Tasha, here. Stop it now.
We're here to study. It got late. We have to go. It was dark. It was raining, but we weren't afraid. But that night, I got that night. We were walking along and then we saw a car pass. We parked up the road and 3 men got out. They were standing there just staring at us with that uncomfortable stare. We didn't say anything, we just walked on by. But then we heard an engine start. It was that same car with those same 3 men. They asked if we wanted a ride. No, we just live right up the thanks, it's okay. Then he took off the car. Getting out of fucking car. I was just so scared. I just got in with Tasha. She just tried to give them anything. We had money, anything, just to let us go. But they just kept getting rougher with us, pulling my hair. He had a gun to my head. He said I should show them where I live, but I could barely speak. I was so frightened.
When I got to the house, I could barely open the door. She tried to comfort me. But one of them hit her in the face with the butt of the gun. Tasha, please don't hurt her! They wasted no time. They were just taunting her. Oh, she wasn't a man. And she doesn't have a cock. No, she's a nasty lesbian. I'm a whore. They was trying to turn my clothes up. He said that if I made a sound, he would kill me. I didn't say anything. I just laid there and took it. The other one was just beaten and beaten untouched. They made her watch me get raped. They did everything to me. I wish they'd just kill me. They thought that by raping me that would make me straight. And I hate those man bastards more than anything. What the hell did I ever do to them?
What happened after that, Faye?
It's so hard to move on. When every day we saw each other, we remembered that night. Sometimes she'd come to see me and try to touch me. I just felt so nasty and dirty. I thought she wouldn't want to touch me because I was pregnant for a man. She wanted an abortion, but I didn't.
What would your child complicated things even worse? An ultimatum was made, and you chose. Why?
I chose to be a mother.
Why?
I thought that something, I don't know, something good could come from this horrible situation.
And then she left you.
She left me. And I was stuck with this big pregnant belly just growing and growing. I wasn't eating, I wasn't sleeping. I hated it. I just wanted it to die inside of me. So I would just hit myself in the stomach over and over again, or just stick that bloody hammer in. Just die.
And then the 9th month came.
No. Stop the pain, please.
Faye, the child was innocent.
I was innocent too. I didn't ask to be raped. How are you punishing me for that? Oh, God.
Yes, you were wrong. That child is innocent.
This child was born from hate.
Congratulations, Faye.